Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Airin Ayuntia Sri Rahmadani, student ID 2025-32007. First, comparison of algorithm efficient objective to explain the performance difference between linear and logarithmic algorithm using data 1000 and 1 million elements. In this first section, I will explain the efficient that result between two types of algorithm, linear and logarithmic, based on the program execution result. For the first on input 1 million data point, the linear algorithm requires, while the logarithmic algorithm only need 9 steps. For the 1 million data point, the difference becomes even more extreme. The linear step where the logarithmic algorithm only requires 19 steps. Second, from of big O notation. We will now move on the success big O notation proof. This notation is used to determine the upper but case scenario of growth function. Of the following are the proof point I have complex. For the number 1, the value of n will always be less than actually this meant to grow of n case never exceeds the growth rate. For the number 2, when expand the most domain term big O notation, we focus on the term with the h power a growth recognize. For why does this happen? The linear algorithm work by processing each data element sequentially one by one, so the number of steps is equal to the input size. For the next, convert cell. The logarithmic algorithm work by dividing the data size in half its every step, cause the growth in the number of steps to the very slow even as the input size increases. Conclusion: for handling large scale data, algorithms with logarithmic complexion are far more efficient because they exhibit very slow step growth difference input size. And the next, number 3, even with a confidence of for very large input, this function remains below the growth bound. And next, for the number 5, the term with the most visible growth becomes very large. The value of 6 and 1 become insignificant and do not affect the total result. By ingredients, the coefficient is 2. The complexion is proven to be big O. For the next, to make it clear, let's look at the execution result of the program I have created. Here I test two different input scenarios to see how the number of operations. For the first scenario, while the data size is 1000, the linear algorithm processes 1000 steps. However, notice the logarithmic algorithm it only requires 9 steps to completion the text of the text. Second scenario, 1 million. When I revert the input to 1 million data point, the difference in every case becomes very stark. The linear algorithm must work to perform 1 million. Meanwhile, the logarithmic algorithm result the very step response only 19 steps. For the last, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.